Achieve a brighter, healthier smile on a budget. Do you want whiter teeth without spending hundreds at the dentist? Well, guess what? I've got an easy $3 remedy using just 2 simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Get ready to say goodbye to stains from coffee, wine, or even age, and hello to a brighter, healthier smile. First, let's talk about our star ingredients. Baking soda. This little box costs about $1.79 and works wonders for gently scrubbing off stains and plaque without being too abrasive. And then, we have hydrogen peroxide, the 3% version you can grab for about $1.60. It's a powerful whitening agent that breaks down stains at the molecular level. Here's how to make it. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda, add 3 drops of hydrogen peroxide, and 8 drops of water. Mix it up into a smooth paste. Now, grab your toothbrush and gently polish your teeth with the paste. Be sure to get both the outer and inner surfaces of your teeth. Do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once you're done, rinse thoroughly. And that's it! A whiter smile in the making. Here's the deal. Make sure you're using only 3% hydrogen peroxide. Anything stronger can damage your enamel and gums. And don't overdo it. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week for safe, gradual whitening. You'll see noticeable results within just a few weeks. So why does this work? The oxygen from hydrogen peroxide penetrates your enamel to break down those pesky stains, giving you a safer, more natural whitening option compared to harsh dentist treatments or those overpriced whitening strips. Plus, it's easy on your wallet and your teeth. Now, for an extra boost to your oral health, let's talk about oil pulling, an ancient practice that's making a comeback. All you need is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Swish it around in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes, and then spit it out. Don't swallow it. The oil traps bacteria and toxins. The secret here is lauric acid in coconut oil, which is antibacterial and can help reduce bad breath and gum issues. Studies even show it's comparable to prescription mouthwash for fighting gingivitis. Now let's talk about something not many people know: leaky gums. This happens when sugar in your diet blocks your body from absorbing enough vitamin C. And without enough vitamin C, your gums can become weak, almost like scurvy. When your gums are weak, they can let bacteria enter your bloodstream, potentially leading to bigger health issues like inflammation or even heart problems. The fix? Cut back on sugar and load up on vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, bell peppers, and broccoli to strengthen your gums and overall health. Let's recap. With just $3, you can whiten your teeth using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Add oil pulling for a cleaner, healthier mouth, and don't forget to give your gums some love with vitamin C. So, are you ready to give this a try? Let me know in the comments how it works for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Secrets for more natural remedies and health tips. Your brighter, healthier smile is just a click away.